Today, I'm going to show you a game-changing strategy to squeeze massive value out of your long-form content by turning it into snackable shorts using Vizard. We're going to automate the heavy lifting, helping you grow your audience and drive traffic back to your main videos without spending hours in an editor. Before we dive in, just a quick reminder that Vizard works best with content you own or have the full rights to use. If your video is private or has third-party music claims, you'll need to clear those hurdles first so you don't run into publishing issues later on. Also, remember that no tool is actual magic. While Vizard is fantastic at surfacing viral moments, you should always check the trims and captions yourself. That said, once you get the hang of it, this tool will cut your typical production time down by an incredible amount. Let's start by opening Vizard and either connecting your YouTube channel or simply uploading the long-form video you want to chop up. Connecting your channel is the smoothest workflow, as it lets the app pull your existing files and metadata instantly. Once your footage is uploaded, hit that big Analyze or Auto Edit button and watch as the AI scans your video for those high engagement highlights. It looks for laughs, applause, topic shifts, and those punchy, quotable lines that are most likely to grab someone's attention. You'll see a list of suggested clips with confidence scores, but don't just accept every single one blindly. I personally like to set my clip length to around 60 seconds for YouTube Shorts, as it gives you plenty of breathing room for context. If a clip is absolute fire at 15 seconds, keep it tight, but you can always nudge the start and end points with the drag handles. Here is a pro tip. Always hunt for moments that have a strong, natural hook within the first 3 seconds of the clip. Even if the AI finds a great beat, you can sometimes make it punchier by adding a quick text overlay at the very start. Next up is aspect ratio, so be sure to select the vertical 9:16 format, which is perfect for mobile consumption. If your original video was filmed in widescreen, use the smart reframe feature to keep your subject perfectly centered. For interviews, you can even use multi-frame templates to show the guest and host at the same time, which looks super professional. Now, let's talk about the part most people overlook: your context and that all-important call to action. You can record a quick outro directly via your webcam or upload a voiceover, encouraging people to watch the full episode. Something as simple as saying, "Check the link in the comments for more," can massively increase your click-through rate. Once your framing and outro are set, jump into the captioning tool to ensure your subtitles match the tone and pacing of your video. Always do a quick manual scan to catch any transcription errors, especially with proper nouns or specific industry slang. I like to use a bold, eye-catching text style for the first few seconds to really reinforce the hook and capture attention. Before hitting publish, make sure you add a direct line in your video description that links back to the original, full-length content. If you have connected your YouTube channel, Vizard can actually populate that link for you automatically, which is a massive time saver. Now for my favorite part, which is using the auto-schedule feature to handle your posting cadence across the week. You can pick your preferred posting frequency, and the tool will queue everything up so you don't have to do it manually every single day. You can drag and drop your clips around the content calendar, edit captions, or even swap out thumbnail art right from one dashboard. It's a perfect way to unify your workflow if you are running multiple channels or just need to keep things organized without 10 spreadsheets. A quick tip here is to stagger your clips so you aren't posting the exact same topic back to back on your channel. You might also want to add a subtle brand element, like a small logo or a short jingle, so people recognize your content immediately. Now, you might be wondering why I recommend Vizard over manually editing in tools like Premiere or CapCut. While those NLEs give you total control, they are significantly slower when you are trying to produce dozens of shorts every month. The sweet spot with Vizard is that it combines intelligent clip discovery with a central calendar, making it a true all-in-one solution. It is designed for scale. Let the AI find the clips, you do a little polishing, and then you just let it auto-post. Is it perfect? Not always, but when you compare the time savings to building every single clip from scratch, it's a total no-brainer. Some competitors lock their best features behind expensive paywalls or limit you to one platform at a time. Vizard makes it much easier and cheaper to keep a consistent posting rhythm across Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube simultaneously. Just remember that if you need heavy-duty color grading or intense VFX, you should still use a dedicated suite for those final touches. Vizard isn't trying to replace your entire production studio. It's meant to help you get your best clips out there fast and consistently. Pro tip, keep a research document where you list your best performing hooks, like controversial opinions or surprising stats. Then, ask the AI to surface moments from your long-form videos that fit those high-performing structures. Recycle your evergreen content across different platforms by slightly tweaking the captions for each specific audience. Create thematic weeks where you focus on a specific type of clip, like Q&A segments or highlight reels, to build audience expectations. Don't forget to encourage cross-traffic by pinning a comment with the full video link on every single short you upload. A quick technical note, always double-check the copyright status of your music to ensure you aren't hit with monetization restrictions. If you follow these steps, you'll have a consistent stream of content that turns your casual viewers into loyal, long-form subscribers. If you found this workflow helpful, try it out on your latest video, and I promise you will see the results in your analytics. Drop a comment below with the type of content you create, and I will personally share some ideas for hooks you can pull from your next episode. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers!